Hello, world. Brian here, sharing some thoughts from the road, same job, different uniform, load, locate, deliver, record, repeat. Hopefully, we learn something together, or at least kill some time. You know, there's a particular kind of quiet you only get in places like Liberty. It ain't silence exactly, it's more like the land's just busy minding its own business. I'm watching these little side roads peel off into the hollers, and every one of them looks like it's got a story it's not going to tell you on the first pass. Somebody named this place Liberty back when that word still had the dirt of the Revolution on it, and I wonder sometimes if folks here even think about that anymore, or if it's just the name on the mailbox. Me, I like driving through towns that don't try to sell you anything. Liberty doesn't have a gift shop, doesn't have a slogan, just has itself, and that's plenty. Thank you for riding with me. We are in this together. Keep going.